Okay, this is the next project. This is for a customer. He owns the local like material service construction company, like 5 minutes down the street. He's had this for a long time, and it still plays. It's just he wants it pretty much like new. So as you can see, the back glass is pretty much perfect. I haven't seen anything on it yet. Um, so that's almost the only thing I'm keeping here. Um, it will be getting new plastics, new pop bumpers, new targets, new wooden rails. I mean, these plastics are even, I would say normally we would consider those plastics perfect. There's no reason to get rid of them, whatever. Little bit of yellowing like on that one because this was near a window in his office. He's building a new house that has like a 12 or 15 car garage that's going to be all finished with nice cars in it. He wants this in there with them. And so this was in his office, so it does have a lot of fade. As you can see, that rail wasn't in the sun. That one was. That's supposed to be the same color. But even, yeah, we're doing new plastics, rebuilding the flippers, CPR playfield. I mean, it's just kind of getting everything. Computers. We're going to do, actually going to do white wolf pack displays. Got to do wolf packs and everything, right? But then I'm going to do the pink gel overlays. So that way the displays will actually light up about the same color as the pink on the back glass. I saw another one where somebody did that and it looked really nice. Because I don't know, some of you may have noticed I've been looking for parts that are hard to find for this. Like, oh, look at that. Look how faded that is right there next to the window. Pretty much gone. So, but even this is the worst spot. This is like, that's almost smooth. That just took the paint off. That didn't even take off any of the wood. I have managed to get a hold of a actual stencil kit for this. I managed to find somebody that still had one. So it will be getting painted, not decaled. So on that note, it will be getting new metal rails as well whenever I do that. He wants to do new legs. I'm gonna polish this really good. I got a metal buffer and everything like that, so I'll polish up. But this has your little swirls, but there's no damage on this at all. This is really, I mean, you feel nothing. It is perfect. So that's really nice. I'm gonna keep this because I can't seem to find these, but obviously like the metal plate and the rest of that assembly will all be replaced. Probably going to do a new coin door as well. I'll clean that one up, just kind of see how it does, but it's a good chance just to make it match everything else. It's getting replaced. The legs, I'm going to try to find chrome or polished, whatever, bally legs for this. Need to look into that. As you can see, yeah, it's just pretty faded here. I mean, pretty worn, but again, that's perfectly smooth. I mean, besides, like, that's smooth. I can't find really any wood damage that needs filled on this. Like, that's just paint gone. So, I mean, that's just paint. So that'll be fixed just whenever I sand it. The back glass is perfect. So yeah, this will be getting, like I'll reuse maybe like the transformer and the speaker. But besides that, I mean, in general, it's a stencil kit, which I've done before. That's not a big deal. It's a playfield swap, which I've done a couple of those. I was about to do my Galaxy, but that can wait. He doesn't want this back for about 6 months because his house is not done yet. So on that note, I would like to be done with it in 2 or 3 months. It just kind of depends on availability of parts and how quickly I can get everything. The playfield, even if, whatever, because they're supposed to be doing another batch of them here shortly. Whenever I get it, you're supposed to wait 30 to 45 days, I think, before you even play on a new playfield to let the clear completely harden. So I'm going to have that delay as it is, but I can go ahead and work on the cabinet paint and get all that squared away. Obviously, I can go ahead and assemble the playfield. But yeah, it's going to get full yopsicles. He just wants to update it as much as possible. You figure pretty much at this point, if they make it for this game, it's getting replaced. His apron, I'm not touching the apron. It's got a little bit of, like, a couple little smudges on it, but no scratches, no nothing. It is supposed to be that very light pink. So I'll find him some new or better cards. But yeah, the rest of it, the cab is actually supposed to be like that color. So it's not that bad here. Back here in that corner, you can kind of see that's the color it's supposed to be back there. So that nice dark. I already found the paint code for that, so that'll be fine. Then it's just the rest of it's just gloss white, gloss black. No big deal. But this is going to get started. I need to clean up in here. I want to make sure I have everything out of here that is not Playboy, because right now, junk. So you got Stellar Wars and Meteor parts, targets. I want to have that table completely spotless before I start on this, just so nothing gets confused. But besides that, this is my next, this really isn't, it's dirty, you know, it has been played in a while, but I mean, it's still not that bad. So this would make a nice little wall hanger for someone. I'll ask him what he's going to do with it. So, but maybe I'll make it into a wall hanger for him for his garage. So I'll talk to him about that later. But yeah, he bought one of my other games off of me yesterday, so that way he still has one in the office. And then he said he's just going to move that game. He bought Gorgar, unfortunately. So, but there you go. I mean, that back glass is freaking perfect. Anyway, there you go. Next project for the next couple of months.